is basic, ne? The basic of Euclidean geometry. If you still remember, two parallel lines, and the one that is cutting like that there. And then, so if we are going to attend on this one, we are looking at angles. And then the first thing that we look at is angles. Now, on this line that is cutting through these two parallel lines is making 4 angles in each line. And then, so now if we are going to name these angles like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes, but what are the lines? What are the angles?
Airport.
Yes. So I want us to start here.
Airport.
Before we carry on with this topic. Ne? So we have angles that are corresponding, or in fact, that they are similar to each other based on the rules of geometry. And then, now, if you look at angle A and angle B, what are the angles? Ne? These are the angles that are in a straight line. The rule is one: angles that are in a straight line, they make up 180 degrees. So basically saying that A plus B, these two angles, 180 degrees. And then, but on Euclidean geometry, you state your reason. Why are you saying this is true? We are saying this is true because angle in a straight line,
airport.
That is your reason. Angles in a straight line. So you are going to get a mark for the statement, which is angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. And you get a mark for your reason, which is angles in a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So you have basically now proven the angle right there. And then?
Airport.
So now, this is the first 2 angles that I want us to see. What are other angles that are here? Other angles at angle A and angle D. Look at those angles. What angle? We call those angles vertically opposite angles. So angle A is equal to angle D. We check it out. Airport is equal to angle D. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Which one is that?
Opposite.
Basically now have 2 angles, statement and your reason. So if you take note of these angles and then are you still here, my friend?
Airport.
Yes. Did you note these opposite angles, the A and D? Ne? We call them vertically opposite angles. So we wrap off on that one. We move along. That is our second angle. I hope you are writing down these rules, ne? Because these rules must be in your heart, so that when I ask you a question, you understand what I'm saying to you. And then, so we move along.
Airport.
Stated angles in a straight line and vertically opposite angles. A and D opposite angles, vertically opposite. So basically, it's like A and D is vertically opposite, B and C is vertically opposite, E and H is vertically opposite, G and F is vertically opposite. long as angles, if you got opposite angles is. Now, this is the thing, very easy, straightforward. Now, what else do we have on this diagram? Take angle A again. I like working with angle A. And you take angle E. Those are two angles. And then we call these angles
Airport.
Yeah, no in it.
Airport.
We call these angles, we say angle A basically is equal to angle E. Why am I saying that? This is my statement. If ever angle A was 40 and I didn't know angle E, automatically angle E becomes 40 because angle A is equal to angle E. And we call these angles corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So you have a mark for your statement and a mark for your reason. Rules. That is rule number 3. I gave you 2 rules before this one. These are rules of geometry. Take note of this, my friend. Take note of this. Now, A and E. I'm taking this one off now. Corresponding angles. Round that one off. Take that one off. What else do we have here? Now, if we were to take a angle C and angle E. Yeah, what about? Zonke angles ngaphakathi. Like this one is inside this. Yeah, what are you see that shape? You see that shape? We call them
Airport.
angles, we call them co-interior. Angles. Yeah, what are angles? You check in the angles.
Airport.
Yes. These are co-interior angles.
Airport.
Yes. Co-interior angles. So, what else do we have here? Take that one off. Take that one off. Okay. What else?
Airport.
What else? If we were to take angle, I'm trying to look for this one, angle E and angle D.
Z.
Yes. Those
Airport.
So we have to state it, angle E is equal to angle D. So whichever number that you are given at E is the same as G according to this rule. And we call this rule the alternate angles. Do you see that? So you get a mark for
Airport.
You get a mark for your reason. So now you basically covered rule number, is it rule number 5?
Airport, rule number 5, yes.
Yes. Now, we covered that one. What else? Yes. You can see this net, the circling that I'm doing here. Do you see that?
Airport.
All these angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them. And then all of these angles. When you add them up, basically what I'm saying, A, B, C, D, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Yeah, what that?
Airport.
So basically what I'm saying, A plus B plus C plus D, whichever value that I'm given with all of these 4 angles, they must make up 360 degrees. And we call them revolution. When you are given these angles and you sum them up, you just say, why am I saying this? Because it's a revolution and it's really revolving. So you see that wheel motion. It's the same thing that goes for E, F, G, H.
Airport.
Same scale. Yeah. Because I'm taking this one off now.
Airport.